Have you ever noticed repeating numbers in your life? If so, you're not alone, and it's far from a coincidence. In our daily lives, we often encounter numbers on clocks, license plates, receipts, or even randomly in our thoughts. But what if these numbers are not just random? What if they carry a message, a vibration that is meant to guide us, to connect us to something greater, something cosmic? This phenomenon of noticing repeating numbers is not just your imagination playing tricks on you. It's a cosmic language, a divine communication. These are known as angel numbers, and they hold a spiritual significance that can shift our understanding of the world around us. Now you might wonder, what are these angel numbers? They are sequences of numbers that capture our attention in a peculiar way. They seem to appear too frequently to be mere coincidence. Numbers like 1, 4, 7, and 8 are considered core angel numbers. You might see these numbers individually or together, and each time they appear, they're sending you a message. But here's the fascinating part. Each number is more than just a symbol. It carries a vibration, a frequency. This frequency is like a cosmic thread weaving us into the intricate fabric of the universe. It's a connection to our spirit guides, our celestial companions who are always there, guiding us on our path. Numerology, the science of numbers, helps us understand this cosmic flow, this universal rhythm. It's a way to decode the messages our spirit guides are trying to convey. And how do we do this? Through meditation and dialogue. When we see these repeating numbers, we quiet our minds, we ask our spirit guides, "What are you telling me?" And in that silence, the answers come. They may arrive as a thought and inspiration, a sudden urge to do something. So the next time you see repeating numbers, remember, it's not just a coincidence, it's the universe trying to communicate with you. It's an invitation to raise your vibrations, to align with the energy of numbers, to embrace the synchronicities of angel numbers, and to embark on a journey of spiritual discovery and transformation. When it comes to angel numbers, there are a few core numbers that are particularly significant: 7, 8, 1, and 4. Each of these numbers carries a unique vibration, a specific energy that resonates with the universe and with our own spiritual energy. Let's start with the number 7. This number is often associated with spiritual awakening and enlightenment. It's the number of introspection and inner wisdom. When you see the number 7, it's a sign that you're on the right path, that you're aligning with your spiritual purpose. It's a call to trust your intuition and to pursue your spiritual journey with courage and faith. Next, we have the number 8. This number vibrates with the energy of abundance and power. It represents balance, harmony, and the cyclical nature of life. When the number 8 appears in your life, it's a reminder of the infinite potential that lies within you. It encourages you to harness your personal power, to strive for balance, and to embrace the abundance that the universe has in store for you. Then there's the number 1. This number resonates with the vibrations of new beginnings, leadership, and initiative. Seeing the number 1 is a signal that you're entering a new phase in your life. It's a call to action, urging you to take the lead, to forge your own path, and to create your own destiny. It's about stepping into your power and embracing the possibilities of a fresh start. Last but not least, we have the number 4. This number carries the vibration of stability, practicality, and hard work. When you see the number 4, it's a sign that you need to ground yourself, to build a solid foundation for your dreams. It's a reminder of the importance of diligence, persistence, and practicality in achieving your goals. These numbers, 7, 8, 1, and 4, can appear in your life either alone or together. When you see these numbers, it's not a coincidence, it's a synchronicity from your spirit guides. They are trying to communicate with you, to guide you, to reassure you. They are sending you these numbers as signs, as messages from the universe. In numerology, these core numbers are not just digits, they are energies, vibrations, guides. They are the language of the universe, the code that the spiritual world uses to communicate with us. When you see these numbers, take a moment to pause, to reflect, to connect with your spirit guides. Ask them, "What are you trying to tell me?" And then listen. The answer may come in a thought, an inspiration, a sudden understanding. These core angel numbers serve as gentle nudges from the universe, guiding us along our chosen path. They are reminders of our spiritual purpose, of the journey we have chosen in this life. So the next time you see these numbers, remember their meanings, connect with their vibrations, and embrace the guidance they offer. Seeing these numbers is one thing, but how do we interpret their messages? The answer lies in connecting with our spirit guides. Now you might be wondering, what's the best way to establish this connection? Well, there are several methods, and we'll delve into a couple of the most effective ones. Meditation is one of the most powerful tools at our disposal. It allows us to quiet our minds, tune out the noise of the outside world, and tune into the subtle whispers of our spirit guides. Picture yourself in a serene, tranquil space. Breathe deeply, evenly, and envision your spirit guides surrounding you. Ask them what messages the numbers are trying to convey. Then, simply listen. The answers might not come immediately or in the way you expect, but with patience and practice, you'll begin to understand their guidance. Another equally effective method is having a conversation with your spirit guides. This might sound a bit unconventional, but it's a practice that has worked wonders for me. When I see repeating numbers, I take a moment to pause and ask aloud, "What are you trying to tell me?" I then quiet my mind and wait. The response often comes in the form of a thought, an idea, or an inspiration to take certain actions. For instance, once I kept seeing the number 4. I asked my spirit guides what it meant, and the answer came as an inspiration to organize my life, to lay a solid foundation for my future. The number 4 in numerology symbolizes stability and order. It was a clear message that I needed to focus on building a strong base for my dreams. These methods might seem simple, but they hold immense power. The key here is openness and receptivity. Your spirit guides are always ready to communicate. You just have to be willing to listen. Remember, the universe speaks in the language of numbers, vibrations, and synchronicities. By recognizing these signs and seeking guidance from our spirit guides, we can better understand our life's journey and our role in this vast cosmic dance. The key is to quiet your mind, open your heart, and listen. The answers are always there, waiting for you to tune in. But there's more to angel numbers than just receiving messages. There's also the magic of manifesting. The universe is a symphony of vibrations, and each number carries its own unique tune. When we raise our own vibrations to align with these numbers, we begin to dance in harmony with the cosmos, leading us to the enchanting realm of manifestation. Imagine a radio. To tune into a specific station, you adjust the frequency until it matches that of the desired channel. The same principle applies to us and the universe. When our energy frequency matches that of the universe, we create a clear channel for communication, allowing us to send our desires and intentions out into the cosmos. This is where the magic of manifesting comes in. By acknowledging and embracing the synchronicities of angel numbers, we are, in essence, tuning our radios to the universe's frequency. Whether it's the number 7, symbolizing spiritual awakening, or the number 1, representing new beginnings, these numbers serve as cosmic nudges, guiding us towards our true path. One might ask, how do we raise our vibrations to align with these numbers? The answer lies within each of us. It's about cultivating a positive mindset, practicing gratitude, and following our intuition. It's about seeking joy in every moment and realizing that we are indeed co-creators of our reality. When we consciously align our energy with that of the universe and the angel numbers we encounter, we open ourselves up to the possibility of manifesting our deepest desires. It's like having a cosmic ally, aiding us in attracting what we seek, whether it's love, abundance, or spiritual growth. Remember, though, that this isn't about controlling the universe or dictating outcomes. It's about trust, trusting in the process, trusting in the guidance of the angel numbers, and trusting in the wisdom of the universe. When you align your energy with the vibrations of the universe, you tap into a powerful force for creation and manifestation. So let's dance with the cosmos, embrace the magic of angel numbers, and manifest the life we've always dreamed of. So what have we learned today about angel numbers and their significance? We've delved into the intriguing world of numerology, where numbers are more than just figures. They vibrate with a unique energy that resonates with the universe. We've discovered that core angel numbers like 1, 4, 7, and 8 are not random sightings. They're synchronicities, subtle messages from our spirit guides. We've explored how to connect with these guides through meditation or simply by asking, "What are you telling me?" when we see repeating numbers. We've learned to be still, to listen, and to wait for that spark of inspiration or thought that provides the answer. We've also learned about manifestation, about raising our vibrations to align with the energy of numbers, and about embracing the magic that comes with acknowledging these synchronicities. Remember, the universe speaks in numbers. Listen closely, and you'll hear its wisdom.